Plantation Inn is by far the most beautiful property on Crystal River. It is right on the river with humongous pool, and tons of activities with the most beautiful and fine dining restaurant in the area as well. Tonight we're eating at West 82 Bar and Grill. This is the lounge. This is going towards the main dining room. Beautiful fireplace as you enter. Hi. And it's Christmas ready. And now we're headed towards the main dining room where we are seated overlooking the river. And here's my family. Hello. Dinner time at the Plantation on Crystal River, and they have fun kids menus. Yeah, it's for painting. Open it up. Let's see what they've got going on. Martini night, and I have a orange cream martini, and Lico has got himself a yummy plantation fling, the signature martini, and of course iced tea for the kids and orange juice. The dinner has arrived. I ordered the pasta Monterey sauce and cream sauce with huge shrimps and scallops and lobsters. And my husband ordered the signature shrimp and grits dish. And it looks fabulous with sausage on top.